pinagdaanan. Tapos puyat, makapuyat ka pa kaka-live. Sobrang kurakot. How was your day going? I'm good, really good, but a little bit sleepy. So sleepy. No customer today at your workplace? Yeah. We don't have any customer. Hello, simple boy. Please like and subscribe, everybody. Everyone and everybody, please double tap your screen. Pinanggan. Ako nabuhay pa. I'm back. Hello, Jen and Family Vlog. Hello, Simple Boy. Can you please subscribe, Jen and Family Vlog? Yes, so tired. So sleepy. Oh my gosh. Lagi na lang, sige na lang katulgon ba? Murag pulang sigistog. If you feel bored, then I send you address to my friend Mosquitoes. Oh, really? Oh my gosh. Yan ang sabi ni Ma'am Sophia's. Grabe, sobrang sayang. Ang 30% pag naipon, sobra pa sa isang sakong bigas. Nakahinayang, kung may paraan man lang send direct, mas maganda. Oo, pero PayPal lang yung namin, Sir Estorias. Sa PayPal or GCash, pwede rin. Sobrang laki talaga ng kunwari nagbibigay ka ng $100. Yung mapupunta lang yan sa amin is nasa mga 60 plus, 68, 67, ganun. So nawala na yung 30 plus. Sayang naman. Tapos pagsahuran na, kakaltas na naman ng tax. Tapos pagkasahod na, kapag ihuhulog na sa account namin, bank account, kakaltas na naman. Meron na naman kaltas. Kaya, parang halos 50% yung nasa kanila eh.